Sharmi. Today I am here to tell cavity of larynx. Cavity of larynx is extend from inlet of larynx to lower border of the cricoid cartilage. It plays obliquely, it looks backward and upward. It bound anteriorly with epiglottis, posteriorly with interarytenoid fold, and each side by epiglottic fold. It has inlet of larynx has mucous membrane has two parts, upper part and lower part. Upper part is known as vestibular fold, and lower part is known as vocal fold. The space between the right and left vestibular fold is known as rima vestibuli, and space between two vocal fold is known as rima glottis. Rima glottis has two parts, anterior 3/5 part and posterior 2/5 part. Anterior part is known as intermembranous part, and posterior part is known as intercartilaginous part. Inlet of larynx are divided by three parts. Three parts: upper vestibular fold, lower vocal fold, and between the vestibular and vocal fold. Upper vocal supraglottis and ventricle of larynx, and below the vocal fold is known as infraepiglottis. Between the vocal fold and vestibular fold is known as sinus of Borgagni or ventricle of sinus. The anterior part of the sinus prolonged as a saccule which contain mucous gland to lubricate the vocal fold. That's why it is also known as oil can of larynx.
Very good.